Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the TV Boss Fire platform with all the settings and options you can access and use. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your account, the number of channels you can build, and the number of users you can add if you have the agency license. I'm logged in as an agency user, but depending on your licensing level, you will be able to access all the options in the menu or only part of them. In the top right corner, you can access your account settings. The first tab is your profile, where you can change your email, name and password. Please do that only if it's necessary, as your email is connected to your purchase and it can cause synchronization problems if you change it. Next is the settings tab. This will be available only for agency users, and from here you can add your branding and make the TV platform yours. The first item in the menu is the My Channels tab. From here you can add new channels, edit existing channels, or assign them to your customers if you have the agency license. To start a new channel, just click the plus sign in the right side of your screen. Fill in the required data. To guide you through the whole process, we've already preloaded some dummy data, and if you hover over any field you can see a short tooltip message that will tell you what should go there. Also, you can always click on the question mark and that will lead you to a page where you have a description of that field. The second tab is the Tutorials tab. In the Tutorials tab, you can see all the video tutorials we have now and all the video tutorials we will add later. The Users tab is only for the agency users. Here, an agency level user can add a client and later he or she can assign a channel to the respective client. The next tab is the Bonus tab. Here you can access all the bonuses we have to offer. From the Download tab, you can download our apps for Mac, Linux and Windows. For now, and a little bit later for Android and iOS. Please use our Facebook group if you wish to find people to brainstorm with or have any questions that you may want to ask. Join us there and feel free to ask others what they did and how they did it with their channels, such as what type of monetization strategies they use, for example. To join, follow the link below this video.